Welcome to Study Loop.
About type 1 diabetes. So type 1 diabetes, as opposed to type 2 diabetes, is an autoimmune disorder where basically the cells of the pancreas are not allowed to produce insulin. So insulin is obviously the protein that allows our body to take in sugar and process that. But without insulin, blood glucose levels are extremely high because there's no mechanism by which glucose can enter cells. So basically, it is an autoimmune disorder because there are the production of autoantibodies which target the cells of the pancreas and target them for destruction so that no insulin can be produced. So let's see which statement is true. A says that people with type 1 diabetes, it says that their B cells produced IgE molecules in response to a harmless protein, which caused histamine to be released. So this is talking about the concept of allergies, and so it's not really related to autoimmune disorders. So we can eliminate B. A. B says their B cells responded to a self protein, yes, to produce autoantibodies, yes, which elicited inflammation that caused organ damage, yes. So this is a common, or this is a characteristic in people with type 1 diabetes. And yes, they do produce autoantibodies. So B is true. C says they had a delayed response to a harmful protein that entered the body and activated both the innate and adaptive immune systems. So the problem I have here is both innate and adaptive immunity. So we're mostly talking about B cells, which is adaptive immunity, and innate is having to do with non-specific barriers. So we could eliminate C. And D says that they acquired antibodies to insulin through passive immunity, and these antibodies bind to insulin whenever it is produced in the body. So the antibodies bind to the cells of the pancreas, first of all, and they are not acquired through passive immunity. So we could eliminate D. So that the correct answer we can say is B. Their B cells responded to a self protein to produce autoantibodies, which elicited inflammation that caused organ damage.